been a minute since I said this, but welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator, back with another video, and we are back with a real actual review. I got a review today. I have not said this on my channel, but I'm actually planning on going on vacation in November, and I'm actually getting so close to go down there and have a good time. It's my brother's wedding, and I decided that I needed more shorts. I don't have any shorts, like, well, wearable that is. And I needed more shorts, and I found some today. So these shorts are from Fundazzlink. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is their women casual solid summer sports short gym workout yoga shorts, and basically they're just shorts I got from Fundazzlink. I got them in an extra large, and they came in at least 6 colors. There's a dark green, then there's a regular green, there's a light pink, orange, a rose red, and a yellow. But I chose I guess what they call a dark green, but it's actually a really nice little light green. And these were $11.69, but I got them at a little bit of a discount. And this is what they look like on the picture right here. These are the shorts, right? And here they are. Nice. I love the stretchy material. It's been a while since I did a review, but I love it. I love the material. Inside is looking amazing. I love the detail at the bottom. They smell fresh. They actually came yesterday. I didn't expect these until like next week, which is the 21st, but they came yesterday, and I am super happy that they did. Look at this material. Now on the camera it looked like they light as hell, like this thing in the green, that's like a chartreuse, but these are actually lime green, girl. Lime green. And I'm gonna wear these to Jamaica. Poom poom when we fought. Despite what I've seen on the picture, according to this, it's 100% cotton. It does feel soft. It's a solid pattern, which is good. It's for casual occasions, lightweight and loose style. These look really good though, guys. My only concern is that they almost look like underwear, because this is the way they look at the bottom. But other than that, this is a really good like material. Like, you don't get this material everywhere, like, you know what I mean? And I was able to pack these in my bag, and they fit just as nice as in any bag. So I will not have any problem going through airport security with these on, because if they know what's going on when they see these shorts, it's about to be on and popping. I love the elasticity at the top. Nice, beautiful material. There are a few loose strings, but that's to be expected. But other than that, it's a great material. 10 out of 10 for these shorts. Seriously, I need these for real. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Click that notification bell to be notified of all my videos. More reviews like this coming soon. I'm actually doing another video, and it's going to be for said wig that I'm supposed to do in May, but I didn't do it. Sorry. But anyway, that is it for Damage TV. I will see you all next time. Bye.